How to add captions or subtitles in Lightcut. Want to make your videos more accessible or engaging? Adding captions in Lightcut is simple, and let's see how to do it. First, open your project and tap the text icon. Then select captions or subtitles. You can either type manually or use the auto-generate option for AI-generated subtitles. Adjust the font, size, color, and position to match your video style. Drag the text on the timeline to sync perfectly with your audio or dialogue. Review to ensure timing is accurate throughout the video. Use contrasting colors for captions so they are easy to read against any background. Do you usually type captions manually or use auto-generated ones? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can add captions or subtitles in Lightcut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.